In this video, we will know that how to download and how to install video graphics driver on your Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11. So how to install and how to download in this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7. So let's start the video. So guys, launch any browser on your Windows. And after that guys, type here your laptop name. Okay. So we have Lenovo laptop. We type here Lenovo laptop driver download. If you have Dell, type here Dell. And if you have HP, type here HP. Okay. And if you have other company laptop like Asus, type here Asus laptop driver. So guys, type here your laptop name here and press enter from keyboard. Okay, now click here this first link. After that guys, you can see here driver and software site get opened. Yeah, type here your laptop serial number. If you don't have any serial number, how to find it? Okay, so minimize this window and after that guys, type here CMD and click here run as administrator option and type here a command same as it is. Please check description, I have already added there and press enter from keyboard. You can see here your laptop serial number is displayed here. Launch your website and type here this serial number here same as it is. Click here arrow button. So guys, after that click here select driver manual update and find here graphics video driver. Select here your operating system. If you have Windows 11 select and if you have 10 select and find here display and video graphics. So guys, you can see here display and video graphics is displayed here. Click on it and download this driver. Check here recommended, not critical. Don't download critical, only download recommended this driver. Click here download button. You can see here it is downloading. Now guys, open download folder. You can see here this driver get downloaded here. Now guys, right click on it and click here run as administrator. Now we are going for install this driver. Click here OK button and now click here next. I accept and then click here next. Don't change here and click here next. Install. You can see here your driver get downloaded properly here. Click on OK and click here finish button. So after that guys, restart your Windows. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos and thanks for watching.